Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can download the Perplexity AI application on your Android, for example, or on mobile in general. So let us guide you through this. So guys, if you are accessing Perplexity AI on your smartphone, access your browser, head over to Perplexity AI via the mobile browser. I'm doing this on web, but it works actually the same way, guys. So here in your account on Perplexity AI, make sure that you're logged in, of course. And then click into your profile icon in the bottom left and navigate to install apps. Here you will be redirected to that option, so you may either download the Perplexity AI on your mobile, the app, or the Comet AI browser. I will go for Perplexity AI and select your device below. You can go Windows or iPhone, Android and Mac OS. So click into Android. Alternately, guys, after that the installation will be launched. Alternately, you may navigate, for example, to the Google Play Store or to the App Store, and from there click into install and check if your device is capable of running this Perplexity app on it. Also, guys, there's the third option. You may, for example, use the QR code, scan it, for instance, with your phone. If you're accessing this page here, for example, on a computer, on a web browser, make a screenshot or image of that QR code, and that is going to redirect you to the download page on your device, on your Android, to download the Perplexity AI on it. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.